This is a breakdown example kind of case study for the go with the flow market indicator. This is a really interesting one to share because it's pretty recent. This is 422 21, and we've had some kind of real back and forth chopping action the last couple weeks. The go with the flow is a bigger trend time frame measurement, right? So it's catching swing trades. And without going into the details of the algorithmic formula of it, it's measuring the underlying action underneath the stock rather than the price action itself. So you can see that, back in the, 8th, 9th, 10th is when this gave a pending trend change, right? So it broke down and has been, doing that nonstop since. Price ran against that for about a week and a half, and then during that period, there was two different instances. So here on the 14th, and then again on the 19th, where price started to catch up. You can see that even on the 20th, when price started to rise again, nothing on the underlying. So no change to the reading. Price dropped significantly. These are all like pretty serious drops of 1.5% at a time, connecting back with the actual underlying kind of flows, right? So the actual underlying composite flow measurement that this is tracking. So it's very rare that price will remain bifurcated from this tracking mechanism. And if you're using this, it really protects you from being on the wrong side of the more ongoing trend. And I'm showing you examples of short trades, right? It doesn't always necessarily mean that that's the case. There are long trade examples. Here, let me show you another one. Here's an example of the First Trust Biotech ETF. You can see that it, kind of put in a local bottom on the 12th, and it's been nothing but inbound, right, flows since, and it's still moving up, even with the broad market collapsing today. So this is a very agnostic tool that is highly effective for swing trading. One of the best I've ever seen. So it's available in the big tech marketplace, and it's tracking multi-day swing trade type setups for bigger, broader trends where you can remain in that for some time. And if you think about that in the context of QQQ versus on the short side versus this on the long side, the flows just never lie, right? The price, they say many times, is a liar, but the underlying flows are very rarely a liar. So very powerful indicator for swing traders. Highly advise you to give it a try. Any more questions, you can always hit us up at support@bigtech.io. One of the strongest swing trades that we've ever come across.